4 as 2 square?
Yes, sir.
Now, see, 2 square by 2 as 2 square by 2 has become 2. Can I write it as 2 to the power of 1?
Can you repeat?
I am saying 2 square by 2 is become 2. Correct? 2 square is 4. 4 divided by 2, answer is 2. So can I write that 2 as 2 to the power of 1?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir. I got disconnected. I'm sorry to say that. Can you just say what you're telling?
No, beta, we will get lost. There is an interesting flow. Please allow me to complete. Okay? Please concentrate. Now, 2 cube by 2 is 4. We understood. Therefore, I'm writing it as 2 square. Now, 2 square by 2, it is 2. I wrote it as 2 power 1. Now, please observe and tell me. Before I go further, let me take one more example so that you'll get the concept of what I'm trying to teach. Okay, I'm trying to teach in a different way. Same thing. Don't think that we are wasting time. We are actually learning something very interesting, because problems you will anyways do simple things. Concentrate now. Tell me if it is 2 to the power of 4 divided by 2. What is the value of 2 to the power of 4 divided by 2?
8.
8. How did you do it?
So, way to the power.
I want Pragya to answer so that Pragya has understood. I want to check. Pragya, tell me.
Yes, sir. So, like 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8.
That's why are you switching on, beta? If you're unable to see your speaker is a problem, let me, make you mute.
So can I continue?
Yes.
So, and 8 into 2 is 16. And 16 divided by 2 is 8.
Wonderful. Now, can I write this 8 as 2 to the power of 3?
Yes, sir, we can.
Yes, 8 is nothing but 2 to the power of 3. Wonderful. Now, please observe some interesting trend here. When you have this 8,
Sir,
yes.
may I say something?
Who wants to say?
So
It's me, Yashika.
Yeah, go ahead, Yashika.
So, when we came to the power of 1, the answer was 1. And when we came to 2 to the power of 2, this is. And actually, we divided to everything, 2 to the power of 1, 2, 3, and everything with 2. We divided it. So, let's just see.
Wait.
First.
Wait.
So, I want to ask something.
Wait. I think Darshil, is that the student or someone is troubling us?
Sir, he's a student.
No, I know he's a student, but he's not behaving like a student. Vinay, can you check, is Darshil the student who is there in the class or someone else? Because he's, despite, asking him to mute, he's continuously switching on his mic, and there's a problem with his mic. Okay, can you just talk to him, call his parents, check with if that is a student or someone else is troubling us with name Darshil there. Yes.
Sir, can you please continue? Sir, I have a question.
Okay, Yashika, please. Yashika, if you want me to continue, just keep yourself in mute. Let me talk to Pragya. Pragya, go ahead.
Yeah, sir. Sir, I wanted to ask that, when we're taking out 2 to the power of 4 and all, why are we dividing it by 2?
I am taking an example. I'm asking you, I'm trying to arrive at I taught you by this method, right? I taught you by this method, but 2 people have said they have not understood. They're not sure. I think one is Pragya and the other person is Yashika. So I'm trying to explain in a different way. Okay, Pragya, go ahead.
I'm a bit lost.
Sir, may I say something?
Sure.
So I was saying that they are dividing everything with 2, right?
Correct.
So we did 2 to the power of 1 divided by 2, which is 1. But then we did 2 to the power of 2 divided by 2. Because of dividing with 2, we
Correct.
came up with the answer, which is directly to the 2 to the power of 1.
Correct. Correct. So now,
The same method goes on and on. That's what
wait.
That's what I
I'll explain why am I doing it. I'll explain. Wait for a moment. I am trying to build a trend for you. See, we learn mathematics using trends. Do you think that these formulas were built by mathematicians when they were born? They got the formula on their own?
No, sir, I don't think so.
No, sir.
How did they created those formulae?
They think.
They did not create, they've observed.
It goes step by step.
Correct. So
It always goes step by step from the lower method.
exactly. That's what I'm trying to help you, Yashika. Concentrate now. Pragya, come back. Come online. Pragya, I would like to talk to you.
Sir,
Correct.
I am online.
What?
Sir, I am online.
Yeah. Come on. Let's tell me. Now, I'm asking you a trend. Now, 2 power 4 by 2, we got 8. And 8 is nothing but 2 cubed. Correct?
Yeah.
Now, 2 power 4
Sir,
by...
not 2 cubed. It's 2 to the power of 3.
No. Yeah, 2 to the power of 3. Correct. 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4 by 2 to the 2 can be written as 2 power 1, right? 2 is nothing but 2 power 1. So if you observe 2 power 4 by 2 power 1 is actually giving us 2 cube. Correct? 2 cube inside 2 to the power of 3. Sorry, I will not use the word cube. 2 to the power of 3. Now observe 2 to the power of 3 by 2 is giving 2 to the power of 3 divided by 2 to the power of 1 is giving me 2 to the power of 2. Can you observe that? Now tell me, 2 to the power of 2 divided by 2. Can I write it as 2 to the power of 1?
Sir, I did not get the question.
Okay, I'm asking you. The ones. Okay. You people just concentrate. Are you okay with this part? You understood, right? 2 square by 2 is nothing but 2. 2 is nothing as 2 power 1. Similarly, 2 to the power of 3 divided by 2. 2 to the power of 3 divided by 2. You told me it is nothing but 4. And 4, we can write it as 2 square. 2 to the power of 2. 4 can be written as 2 to the power of 2. Now, 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 4 by 2, you only told me answer is 8. Because 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, which is 16 divided by 2 is 8. Can I write 8 as 2 cube? Yes, you said yes. Correct? Pragya, are you okay until now?
Yes, sir, but I don't understand. Like, for example, I take the last example that 2 to the power of 4 is 8. I mean, then shouldn't it be 16? I mean, why are we dividing it by 2?
Beta, to get a trend, I am dividing all the numbers. I divided 2 power 1 by 2. I divided 2 square by 2. I have divided 2 cube by 2. I divided 2 power 4 by 2. I am dividing all these numbers by 2.
Yeah.
Is there a problem if I divide like that by 2? I'm just trying to get answers from you by dividing all these numbers by 2. Do you have a problem with that?
No, sir.
Very good. Yashika, wait. Yashika, wait. Yashika, wait. Wait. Pragya, continue. Yes, Pragya.
Yeah, sir.
Now tell me 2 power 4 divided by 2 power 1. Right? You calculated it as 8 and that value has become 2 cube. Now I'm observing a trend. Can I write 2 power 4 by 2 as 2 cube? 2 to the power of 3?
Yeah, sir.
Tell me 2 to the power of 3 by 2. Can I write it as 2 square?
Yes, sir.
2 to the power of 2. Now 2 to the power of 2 divided by 2. Can I write it as 2 power 1? 2 to the power of 1?
Yes, sir.
Now with the same trend, tell me what should I write here? With the same trend, what should I write here?
Okay, sir. So, the power of 1 is 2. Divided by 2 is 0. Like 0. 2 to the power of 0.
Wonderful. I'll be writing this as 2 to the power of 0. With the same trend continued, I have to write this as 2 to the power of 0. That's the reason 2 to the power of 0 is 1. This is another way of looking at it. You did not, I mean, you were not sure with this way of looking at it. I'm showing you another way of looking at that trend. Basically, when you go to higher standards, you will learn a formula. That formula is a to the power of m by a to the power of n is nothing but a to the power of m minus n. This is a formula which you will be learning when you go to the next class in 7th standard in index. You know, there is a topic called exponents and powers. In that, you will learn this formula. A power m by a power n is a power m minus n. That's a formula. But how did this formula come is a different class altogether. Now I cannot teach that in 6th standard. But if you want to apply this logic, say something like we want 2 to the power of 4 by 2 to the power of 1. The formula of 2 to the power of 4 by 2 to the power of 1 is 2 to the power of 4 minus 1. That is nothing but equal to 2 to the power of 3. You know, without formula, you people understood why 2 power 4 by 2 is 2 cube. Similarly, without formula, you understood 2 to the power of 3 divided by 2 is 2 to the power of 2. You also understood 2 to the power of 2 divided by 2 is 2 to the power of 1. Now 2 to the power of 1 by 2 to the power of 1 is basically 2 to the power of 0, which is nothing but what you are trying to tell that is 2 power 1 divided by 2 power 1. So you're saying 2 to the power of 0. That means they're getting cancelled. 1, 2 is getting cancelled with another 2. Therefore, the 2 by 2 is nothing but 1. That is the reason 2 to the power of 0 is 1. I don't know how many of you have understood, but if you have understood, I would love it. Otherwise, this is the best I can do.